Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ignore how I look. I just got back from the gym. Just did like a little cardio session. Just kept it pretty easy today, but I'm all sweaty and gross after my workout. And it has been a while since I have been on this channel. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. It's been like a month since I have posted. I don't think I've taken this long of a break in a really long time. But I'm gonna give you a little update on my life today, and we are going to be doing a full-on glow up video today. So we're gonna be going from this to this, hopefully, in the next few hours here. So basically, in the past few weeks, I finished off my third year of school, of engineering and business school. I moved and I also started a new job, so it's been a lot of change recently. I've also been very active on TikTok lately, so YouTube kind of just, got lost in the mix, but I am back bringing you guys videos, hopefully weekly. And today I thought it would be nice to do a glow up video, since with all the crazy stuff that's been going on, I haven't had much time to like do my self-care routines and to do like my beauty routines. So today we're going to be doing the whole thing. I'm going to be doing a major glow up in this video today. We are going to be cutting my hair, doing my nails. We're going to be doing some teeth whitening today, some skincare, some tanning, just the whole thing to really glow up. And then at the end of it, we're going to put on like a nice outfit, go out, all of that, and just like look like a completely different person basically. So yeah, I think it'll be very fun. I am even going to film like a TikTok transition so we can see like the full transformation. So I filmed the first part of it right here, and it's like the one where it's like, that one's been trending recently, so I thought I would do that one, and by the end of it we can see like the full glow up. I just finished working out, so I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then we are going to get to cutting the hair.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and washed my hair, and now it is time to cut it. Brush it all out, and I am using a wet brush to do so, just to make sure that I'm not like pulling or breaking the hair at all. What I'm gonna do is take my hair, even though I brushed it all out, and flip it over, and then brush it out again. Okay. So I'm holding it tight there, and then I go down. This is all brushed out now. And I'm going to cut a good amount off today. So now I can grab that, and all of this I'm just going to snip off. Boom. Because then when you let it down, it creates all these nice layers. Pull this hair forward from the back. And then I'm going to cut that straight off. Okay, so grab like a good chunk of my front pieces here. What I do is I twist it first, then I'm going to cut this off. So now I have some of those like face framing pieces. I'm just going to use one of these to blend this out. Just get all that hair that was cut out. The hair is now cut, literally 5 minutes to do that. So simple. So now I'm just gonna let it air dry a little bit. Next order of business, tanning. I'm gonna be using the Il Makiage Skin. This is the 8566 Magic Moisturizing Sun Foam. So I already made sure to exfoliate and stuff in the shower. So you just take your mitt. Very easy application of the stuff. Shake it up. Squeeze some out. And just blend this all out. And this one actually smells really good. I know some tanners can smell so bad. This one does not. It smells really nice. And it actually gives like a really natural, nice color. Going out tonight, so perfect because I can look a little more tan. I am going to do my face now. So I use a little kabuki brush for this, and I just take a little bit. You do not need a lot at all. And you just go ahead and brush this out, and I take it down the neck too. And just really blend this out all over. It's a pretty natural tan, but just make sure you're actually blending it out. Wait until it dries to get fully dressed. So I'm going to wait probably like 10 to 20 minutes here, and then put on my regular clothes back from these tanning clothes, and then we're gonna get on to the next step, which is teeth whitening. I have a little more of a glow going. I like it. The glow up process is going well so far. Now it's time to do some teeth whitening with some products from Love Your Teeth. Thank you so much to Love Your Teeth for sponsoring this video. I have not whitened my teeth in so long, so they are in dire need of a little touch up. Nice little case. And here is the light it comes with. Okay, let's see what my teeth are right now. I'd say they're like a 4 or 5 on this chart right here. Really cool that they give that, but 4 or 5 is the start. So here are the little like vials they come with. I'm gonna take the mouth guard right here and clean this part right here with warm water without touching this. Just grab some warm water and rinse that off. All right, so I'm just gonna grab one of the little vials out of the box. What you're gonna do is flip the vial over, like so. And then we're gonna squeeze it until it pops. There we go. And then turn it over and make sure the applicator is like completely soaked in the solution. I'm gonna grab my mirror and apply this all over. Try to avoid your lips and your gums when you're doing this. And then you just want to wait 10 minutes with the light in. All right, guys, here is the finished look. And obviously this is just a day one of me trying this. You're supposed to use this for like 1 to 3 times, 7 days in a row. But I feel like my teeth look really good right now. Let's check the chart. I feel like we went up with 2, 3. What do you guys think? Again, thank you to Love Your Teeth for sponsoring today's video. You guys can go find their product down below in my description box. This is honestly so easy to use. I've used like other teeth whitening kits in the past that are just like so complicated and take like an hour out of your day, I swear. So this was so quick and easy, 10 minutes. You can do it all the time, and my teeth don't feel sensitive or fragile at all right now, and some teeth whitening stuff really make my teeth hurt. So yay, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna be smiling all night long. All right guys, so it's been a while. I took a little break and I'm just gonna do my nails now. I'm gonna use this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. I was gonna do like full on gel, like UV, all of that fun stuff, but I think I'm just going to quickly paint my nails with this today because I'm running out of time, and I still need to do my hair and makeup, but I still want my nails to look good. So I've already went ahead and like prepped them, shaped them, all of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint them this pretty blue color. Hair time. I've brushed it out. It feels so good. I know it looks crazy right now because I haven't done it, but like it feels so good because it feels like so light and airy. I'm so happy I like took some of that weight off. Still kept like quite a bit of length, but we took like a significant amount off because it was very long. Grab my straightener. I'm gonna go for lots of volume with this hairstyle today. I'm gonna use my straightener to achieve that, so heating her up. And when I take each piece, I'm going to like curl it up a little at the root. And then we are gonna go just straight down. And then I'm going to alternate the way I flip the ends to give it like that volume and to really accentuate the layers I put in. I think this will look really good. So flipped that one in. Oh my god, look at that curl. Ooh. Right, so I've curled like all these pieces, you can see. And then what I do is I'm gonna take like my front bangs. I know this is like a really flattering angle I'm at right now. But I just take my bangs and I'm going to go straight up and around and just curl them over. It looks like this and I really like it. All right, the hair is done. I'm really liking how that looks. Time for makeup. Makeup time. So because I'm tan now, I want to do something very bronzy on the skin. First off, we are going to make sure the skin looks super dewy and nice. I'm gonna take my polyglutamic acid from the Inky List and we're gonna use this all over the skin because this is like the best like serum for hydration, but it's also like a nice makeup primer. So applying that all over. I'm going to be using my Milani Precise brow pencil and just filling slightly in. Nothing too dramatic, just like slightly filling the brows in. Making them look a little more symmetrical. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. My stomach is like rumbling, but as soon as I can get out of here, then I can go eat because I'm going out. So then we're going to apply some brow gel. This is from Merit and I use this just to kind of brush the brows into place like so. Very nice. My phone's gonna die. I think for foundation, I'm going to use the Il Makiage foundation. I'm giving this another go because I got the shade 20 and I'm more tan now, so this might actually work really well. So I'm just gonna take some on a sponge and dab this all on. Again, as I said, I'm going for that like bronzy, very like glowy, dewy look today. So, because I think the outfit I'm gonna wear is also gonna be like bronzy and tan, so I'm just living my like summer goals right now. I was like, I'm gonna pamper myself for this whole routine, but I'm like running out of time, and I always do this. I always leave my makeup to last and then power through it, but I'm really good at doing my makeup fast, so it's no problem. Gonna take some Sister Cosmetics bronze stick. It's the duo shade stick. And I'm taking like the darker side and I'm just applying it everywhere, and then I'm gonna actually, I never use this side of it, the glittery side, but I am today because I want to look a little more bronze, so I'm just kind of applying that all over. And then take this. There's something about like getting your teeth whitened and having a tan on that just instant confidence boost, am I right? I was feeling myself already before the makeup, so you always know it's gonna be a good day when that's how you feel. Bronzed and tan today. I'm gonna use just a tad bit of concealer. This concealer is really light now that I'm really tan, but I'll make it work. I'm not applying like any under the eyes or anything like that. We're just spot concealing with this guy. Blush it up because blush always makes me feel super good. This is Rare Beauty in the shade Believe, and I feel like now, because I have a bit of that tan, it will look really, really nice on. I'm just set in the center of the face a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this Mario Badescu like Master Secret Glow because oh my gosh, does this make me feel glowy. Do we see that? Oh. I want to do some like brown smoky liners. I'm just using my Milani Most Loved Mattes palette and just kind of smoking these out. We're gonna add a wing because this always makes me feel so good and like fierce. All right, now I'm gonna have my concentrating face on. Fill that in. Mascara. makeup is done. All right, so hair, makeup, that's all done. Time to pick out an outfit and figure out what I want to wear. I got these pants. They're like brown, like they're really comfortable. They're high-waisted. And then I have a brown top. They're not the exact same color, but we could do like a little brown on brown monochromatic look maybe. What do we think? I'll try it on. What do we think? Here is the fit, the hair, the makeup, and these are the brown pants with it. I think I'm feeling this. They're not the same color, but like I don't mind it. And then we could do like a pop of color in the bag or something, you know? I almost forgot jewelry. Hold up. I think I'm just gonna go with gold hoops today. Yeah, we like that. Okay, now it is time to finish the transition on TikTok. I just filmed my transition and I freaking nailed it. It looks so good. I'll give you guys a sneak peek right here for this video, but make sure to go actually check it out on TikTok because it'll probably be up before this video is even up, so you might have had a sneak peek to this whole transformation. All right, so I am all ready to hit the town and go out. Thank you so much for joining me along with this glow up video. It was so much fun, honestly, and I'm feeling really good. So I highly recommend this. If you just want like an instant confidence boost, take a few hours, you know, and just give yourself a glow up, whether that is doing your hair or doing a mask or doing your makeup, putting on a cute outfit. It will literally change the game. So thank you so much for taking along this journey with me. Thank you to Love Your Teeth for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go check out that kit down below in my description box. And yeah, I am back on YouTube now. We'll be posting more regularly for sure. So comment down below your ideas, anything you want to see from me. I will definitely be on that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if you want to stick around. And don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.